Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, Muskan. Can we have the cameras on, class?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Bache.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Cameras on, everyone?
Ma'am, 1 minute. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. How is Rashi doing? Good?
Good morning, ma'am.
Rashi, smile. I want to see your smiling face. See how pretty you are looking with a smile on your face. Okay, good. Fine. Yesterday, where?
Good morning.
Good morning, Bache. Good morning, Disha. Where did we stop yesterday?
Ma'am, 1 minute.
You take the following.
I think we were doing question answers, right?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, we are doing the exercises.
Achha, sorry, exercises only. Fine. So, do I need to share the screen with you people for the book?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So give me a second. I'll share.
Ma'am, we are on question answers only.
We
are only having MCQs.
That is why I said, no, I know. No issues. We were on drainage, right? Okay, can you all see the screen, beta?
No, ma'am.
Can you see the
No,
screen?
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, give me a minute.
Yes.
I think I... Now I think it is showing.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Now it is showing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It's showing now. Fine. I think we have to start with water divide. Answer the following questions briefly. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I am telling you again one thing. See, when you are preparing for your exams, for your tests, make sure that you read the chapter thoroughly, because it is not necessary that you will get questions which are there at the back only. You may get anything from anywhere in the chapter, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Fine. So shall we start with the water divide?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Yes,
morning.
ma'am.
Tanishka, actually, you know what happened? When I saw you there, there is one girl, Tanishka, also in the class which I was taking. So I thought that by mistake she got disconnected. So I clicked on admit. And when I said Tanishka, oh, Tanishka is not there, she said, no, no, ma'am, I'm there in the class only, ma'am. Then I realized, oh, that is why I told you to leave. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Chal. Fine. Who will tell this answer? What is meant by a water divide and give an example as well?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, beta. Ayush, tell.
Ma'am, page number. Ma'am, first page of chapter, ma'am, first paragraph. Ma'am, a closer observation. Ma'am, any elevated area such as mountain or an upland separates two drainage basins. Such an upland is known as water divide.
And an elevated area such as a mountain or an upland separates two drainage basins. Such an upland is known as a water divide. Very good. Have you all underlined? An elevated area लिखेंगे, any नहीं लिखेंगे.
Yes, ma'am.
An elevated area such as a mountain or an upland that separates two drainage basins, such an upland is known as a water divide. Can you give example, Ayush? Anybody for the example? Because they are asking for the example also, no?
Ma'am, in Devprayag.
Page, it is given, okay, page 20. Page 20 of the book, if you will open.
Ma'am, between Ganga and Indus River.
Yes, I'll tell you, I am showing it. Give me a minute. Can you see a highlighted line? Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
See, Ambala. Ambala is located on the water divide between the Indus and the Ganga river systems. Right? This you can write as an example. Right?
Yes,
Just
ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
Fine. Fine. Coming to the next question.
yes, ma'am.
ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Coming to the next question. Beta, you all are supposed to do these exercises, these questions which are given at the back in your notebooks without any failure. I will be needing these question answers because when grades are to be given, you will be assessed on the work that is done in the notebook as well, right? Plus, whatever additional we are doing, like map work, if we are doing any worksheet, that also you need to do in your notebooks. Chaliye. Which is the largest river basin in India?
Ma'am, Ganga
Ma'am,
Basin.
Ganga River.
Ma'am, Ganga Basin.
Ganga Basin.
वैसे तो गंगा ब्रह्मपुत्र को हम बोलते हैं, ठीक है? चलिए, very good. Then where do the rivers Indus and Ganga have their origin? इनका origin कहाँ पे है? That you have to tell.
Ma'am, from Godavari.
From?
Ma'am, Gangotri
From
Glacier.
Godavari.
बताओ हम सुन रहे हैं बेटा.
Ma'am, from Mansarovar Lake.
Which one has from Mansarovar? Which river has Mansarovar as its origin?
Ma'am, Indus.
आवाज नहीं आ रही बेटा.
Ma'am, Indus.
Ma'am, in which region?
In this.
हाँ. बेटा Indus originates.
Ma'am, I think it's
Ganga is in
Chenab.
Gangotri.
Yes, Gangotri Glacier.
Yes, ma'am.
See, river Indus has its origin in Tibet near Mansarovar Lake. When you are writing your answer, you need to write this way. And the Ganga River originates at the Gangotri Glacier on the southern slopes of the Himalayas. It is given in the book as it is, okay?
Ma'am, we have to also write the region.
Yes, of course.
Okay, ma'am.
Then the next question is, name the two head streams of the Ganga. Where do they meet to form the Ganga? Can we have Rashi answering this question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Rashi.
The two head streams of Ganga are Alaknanda and Bhagirathi. They both meet to form Ganga at Devprag.
At Dev Prayag. Very good. हाँ जी बेटा दोबारा बताओ बच्चे राशि
The two head streams of Ganga are Alaknanda and Bhagirathi. They both meet to form Ganga at Devprag.
And where is Dev Prayag? Which region? Which state?
Himachal Pradesh.
Himachal Pradesh.
Beta.
Ma'am, Uttarakhand.
Uttarakhand. Yes. Very good, Bhavya. It is Uttarakhand, beta.
Ma'am, Uttarakhand.
हाँ. इतना बड़ा ब्लंडर ना करें हम बेटा तो बड़ा गड़बड़ हो जाएगा नाम है ना okay now next question is which two peninsular rivers why does the Brahmaputra in its Tibetan part have less silt despite a longer course Priyanshi if you would answer this question please हाँ जी प्रियांशी आई एम वेटिंग बेटा बेटा आई एम वेटिंग प्रियांशी आर यू देयर Kushagra Singh Gautam, if you could answer this question.
Ma'am, can I?
Kushagra Singh. Who is this? Can I tell your name also? No. How do I know?
Ayush.
अच्छा आयुष आपने कभी बताया था बच्चे चलो फिर भी बता दीजिए if you know the answer.
Ma'am, page number 21, first paragraph. In Tibet,
Yes.
the river carries a small volume of water and less silt as it is a cold and dry area. In India, it passes through a region of high rainfall. The river carries a large volume of water and considerable amount of silt.
ठीक है.
Ma'am, we can add one more line.
Yes, tell.
Ma'am, there are 3 more lines on same page. Ma'am, the next paragraph. Ma'am, it is written, unlike other North Indian rivers, the Brahmaputra is marked by huge deposits on silt on its bed, causing the riverbed to rise. Ma'am, it can be a complete answer.
बेटा इसका एक सिंपल सा आंसर आप ये भी लिख सकते हो.
It is cold and dry areas.
हाँ, simple आप ये लिख सकते हो. It is because see it is written clearly, no.
Yes, ma'am.
In Tibet, the river carries a small
line.
volume of water and less silt as it is a cold and dry area. That's it. Answer complete. Fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. I hope
Yes,
all have
ma'am.
marked this. I hope all have marked
Yes,
this.
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Very good. Next question. Can we have Aryan Patel answering. Aryan Patel, are you there, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ बताओ बेटा.
Ma'am, I don't know.
हाँ
Ma'am, नहीं पता.
अच्छा. Anybody else for this answer? Which peninsular river?
Can I
Yes,
answer?
ma'am, can I?
Yes, yes.
Can I answer?
Yes.
Ma'am.
Ilma, Ilma wants to answer or
Ma'am,
Narmada and Tapi are two
Narmada and
peninsular rivers.
yes. Narmada and Tapi are the two peninsular rivers that flow through a trough. Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Last 5 minutes I
Ma'am,
need.
it's on page number 21.
Huh?
Ma'am, I was just telling the page number.
अच्छा चलो ठीक है. Now the next question is state some economic benefits of rivers and lakes. Rehan Ali, are you there in the class? Those who will not respond, they will be removed from the meeting and will be marked absent. So kindly, if I call your name, please reply. Okay. There are many those who have given attendance, but they have not joined the class.
Ma'am, this answer can be written ourselves, but there is already in means
Yes.
good language in our book.
It is already
Ma'am,
given.
page number 20.
Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Manojas.
Ma'am, page number 23, roles of river in the economy, second paragraph. Using rivers for irrigation, navigation, hydropower generation is of special significance, particularly to a country like India, where agriculture is the major source of livelihood of the majority of its population.
Fine. See, the question is asking you, state some economic benefits of rivers and lakes. See the last page over here.
Ma'am, lakes वाला roles और rivers in the economy के ऊपर है और
हाँ देखो role of rivers in the economy के ऊपर वाला जो paragraph it is all about lakes. So this whole point into 5 or 3 points, this whole paragraph into 5 or 3 points you can easily write. Fine. Then role of rivers in the economy. This particular portion you can use the first part of it. Sorry, second part of this for the answer. Both first and second part could be taken, considered. Approximately 3 or 4 points you can make from this paragraph as well, right? So for this answer, you need to write 4 points for both lakes and rivers. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. All have underlined?
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
the both, ma'am, 2 paragraphs of rivers.
Because no. Rivers, from both the paragraphs. Because they are asking you about role of. They are asking you about the economic benefits of rivers and lakes. So how they are beneficial, that you can write either 3 points. You do one thing, you write 3 points for each. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Okay. Coming to the third question of exercise. Below are given names of a few lakes of India. Group them under 2 categories, natural and created by human beings. Okay. So take 2 minutes to do this and then I'll ask you. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
बेटा अब अगर आप बच्चे की करेक्शन के लिए नोटबुक्स भेजोगे तो वो कब होके चेक आएंगी? है ना, प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी। ठीक है, अच्छा ये वुलर लेक कौन सी है?
Natural.
नेचुरल। नैनीताल, नैनीताल,
Natural.
Natural.
देन डल,
मैम मैम नेचुरल।
Man-made.
नहीं बेटा, डल लेक इज नेचुरल नॉट मैन मेड।
डल इज मैम नेचुरल।
यस, देन भीमताल,
Natural.
मैम नेचुरल।
Natural.
वेरी गुड। गोविंद सागर,
Man-made.
मैम आई थिंक दिस इज
वेरी गुड।
मैन मेड। मैम ह्यूमन
यू
बीइंग।
कैन राइट,
Man-made.
बेटा आप यू कैन राइट एन एंड एम एन। एम एन फॉर मैन, सॉरी एम एम फॉर मैन मेड एंड एन इज फॉर नेचुरल, राइट? Shall I show you? Shall I show you?
नो मैम, मैम
Yes,
इट्स
ma'am.
फाइन।
अंडरस्टूड नो? जैसे वुलर के आगे हमने एन बना दिया, गोविंद सागर के आगे हमने एम एम। ये इजी हो जाएगा, बुक में आपकी एक्सरसाइज हो जाएगी इजीली, ठीक है? राइट?
Okay, ma'am.
यस मैम।
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए, ओके, गोविंद सागर इज अ मैन मेड लेक। लोकटक,
मैन मेड।
लोकटक,
Ma'am, natural.
मैम नेचुरल।
बड़ा पानी, बड़ा
Ma'am,
पानी,
मैम
natural.
नेचुरल।
वेरी गुड।
Ma'am,
चिलिका,
natural.
चिलिका,
Natural.
मैम नेचुरल।
नेचुरल, वेरी गुड। सांभर, सांभर,
Ma'am, natural.
मैम नेचुरल।
वेरी गुड। पुलिकित, सॉरी,
Ma'am,
राणा, राणा प्रताप सागर,
मैम ह्यूमन बीइंग।
मैन मेड,
Ma'am,
वेरी गुड।
man,
सागर,
Ma'am, man-made.
मैन मेड, वेरी गुड।
man-made.
पुलिकित, पुलिकित लेक,
Ma'am, natural.
नेचुरल, वेरी गुड। नागार्जुन सागर,
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
man-made.
मैम मैन मेड।
मैन मेड, वेरी गुड। हीराकुंड,
Ma'am,
man-made.
man-made.
मैन मेड।
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। नाउ
मैम व्हाट्स द जे? मैम राणा प्रताप सागर।
राणा प्रताप सागर इज अ, बताओ,
Ma'am, man-made.
So man-made.
ठीक है?
मैम
राणा प्रताप
समवन।
सागर राजस्थान में है ये, ठीक है?
यस मैम।
It is a man-made lake. Fine. Coming to the next question. Significant difference between the Himalayan and the peninsular rivers. Anybody in the class who would like to give this answer? बताओ बेटा।
Can I?
Yes, Parth.
Yes, from we can tell me first. We can take example of Himalaya River. That the major Himalaya rivers are the Indus. The river which came under this Himalayan river are Indus, Ganga, and Brahmaputra. These rivers are long and are joined by many large and important tributaries. Then a river along with its tributaries may be called a river system. Then when we can give a short explanation of all three rivers in this river, Ganga River and Brahmaputra River, so that the main point which can come in this, like in first in this river system, it can come. The Indus River rises in Tibet near Lake Mansarovar. Flowing west, it enters India in the Ladakh district of Jammu Kashmir. The main point from for this, from which where it arises and where it flows and how it enters in India. And then we can take example of Ganga. The Ganga, also called the Bhagirathi, is fed by Gangotri Glacier and joined by the Alaknanda at Dev Prayag in Uttarakhand. Now we can take this much of, and then from in Brahmaputra, we can take the Brahmaputra rises in Tibet east of Mansarovar Lake very close to the sources of the Indus and the Satluj. When we can take this much of
ठीक है. Okay.
Brahmaputra.
Fine.
And then we can come to the peninsular rivers. When we can like first point, the main water divide in peninsular India is formed by the Western Ghat, then which runs from north to south close to the western coast. Then the the river which such as the Mahanadi, the Godavari, the Krishna, and the Kaveri flow eastwards and drain into the Bay of Bengal. When this is about peninsular, then when we can take example of all the basins which are there, like Narmada, Tapi Basin, Godavari, Mahanadi, and
We can give
Krishna,
short
like this.
explanation about each.
Can you see the screen, class? Can you
Yes,
see the
ma'am.
screen? What can you see on the screen?
Ma'am, the Himalaya River and the Peninsular River.
Yes, you can see. I have given you this so that you can write exactly the way it is shown over here. That way, it will be easy for you to understand the basic difference, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So you can take the screenshot of this. Taken?
Yes, ma'am.
Taken the screenshot?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Then the next question. Right? It is a very simple
Yes,
language,
ma'am.
easy to understand. You will not find difficulty in remembering them as well, right? Fine, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Chaliye. I think map work I have already told you.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, rivers and lake wala.
There is a, have you all taken the screenshot? Shall I remove it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Let us go back to the book. Now see map skills. They have given you a map question over here. Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
See, I think these already we have done and some extra also I have given you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
So you need to do two maps for the same chapter, rivers, and in the other map you
And
will
lake.
and the lakes. Very good. So will you be able to show it tomorrow to me? I'll be asking you to show this work on the screen.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Right. Now anything from the chapter that is not clear or understood to you people?
No, everything is clear.
Ma'am, everything is clear.
Everything is clear? Okay. See,
Yes,
I have one more PPT. The one which we read, that is fine, but I have another one to show you. We have time, 10 minutes time we have. So let me show it to you. Then again, it will be more clear. The chapter will be more clear to you people, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Will we go for
Yes,
it?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
See, these are the definition: drainage, drainage basin, water divide, river system. You can take the screenshot if you feel like.
And taken.
Taken? Okay. Then these drainage patterns we don't have in the book. They have shown some features made by river. This diagram is already there in your book.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
rivers of India, they have shown the main rivers. You can take the screenshot and you can mark it the way it is given over here, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then they have told you types of rivers, Himalayan rivers and peninsular rivers. Okay, they have some more. Now, if you click on the Himalayan rivers, you will get the details. Himalayan rivers are long and are joined by many large and important tributaries. A river along with this tributary may be called a river system. Then if we click on Indus, we will get to know about Indus, right? You can take the screenshot because these are showing the
Yes.
points that you need to have taken.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Can you share this PPT on WhatsApp group?
Now you take the screenshot.
Yes,
Those who are there in the class, they can take the screenshot. Why others should be benefited? Those who are not taking the class. Very simple. Right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Taken.
Then Ganga River.
Ma'am, this is already in book, I think so.
हाँ वही तो इसको रहने दो ये वाला लिख लो numerous tributaries this is quite informative ठीक है
Ma'am, done.
done then
Ma'am, 1 minute.
okay
Ma'am, because the networks are not the same now.
अच्छा चलो
जब आपका आता तब मेरा नहीं आता.
अच्छा वो सभी के साथ है बेटा ये प्रॉब्लम क्या करें
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, taken.
okay taken
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
हाँ जी numerous tributaries taken
Taken. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
अभी ब्रह्मपुत्रा के बारे में है ब्रह्मपुत्रा का लिखो
मैम इसका भी
हाँ जी बेटा
मैम इसका भी
हाँ ब्रह्मपुत्रा रिवर के बारे में है ना वो रिवर और वो इंडस और गंगा के बारे में था ले लो इफ यू रियली फील कि आपने ये पढ़ना होगा तो आप ले लो चलिए ये भी है ब्रह्मपुत्रा के बारे में
यस मैम
ठीक है आप चलो को अभी हमने इतना पढ़ लिया ना ठीक है अब हम पेनिनसुलर रिवर्स पे जा रहे हैं ठीक है दीज आर द रिवर्स दैट आर मेजर पेनिनसुलर रिवर्स राइट फाइन Now they're telling you about.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
जी बेटा.
ma'am, can you send me the work of chapter first and second?
बेटा, is this Aman Yadav?
Yes, ma'am.
बेटा आप हमें एक पर्सनल मैसेज कर दो तो हम आपको उस नंबर पे भेज देंगे. कल आपका नंबर हमारे पास है नहीं शायद ना.
Okay, ma'am.
Chapter 1 is coming in UT. Chapter 2 can't you do on your own by reading the chapter?
Okay, ma'am.
Means I am just asking you, if you really feel that it is required, I'll send, no problems. But I think if you read the chapter and try to do the answers on your own, that will help you.
Ma'am, which copy we have to make?
बेटा, you have to make one side plain, one side ruled notebook. Intra-leaf जिसको बोलते हैं, एक तरफ plain होता है, एक तरफ ruled lines होती है.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
बेटा ये तो ये मेरे ख्याल से पेनिनसुलर रिवर्स हम अपनी बुक से ही कर लेंगे, वो इजी है काफी. ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am. वो काफी easy है.
हाँ, सेम ही दिया हुआ है, कुछ ऐसा कुछ खास डिफरेंट है नहीं इसके अंदर. ठीक है. That was all about the PPT. ठीक है. चलिए. Anything in the chapter that is not understood, not clear, you are open to ask it. Reason being, you need to be thorough with the chapter. अगर आपने chapter नहीं पढ़ा है तो आपको समझ भी नहीं आएगा बेटा, हम पहले ही बता देंगे, है ना. तो चैप्टर आपको पढ़ना है लाइन बाय लाइन. आप देखो क्या चीज है. अब तो बोर्ड ने भी ये पैटर्न कर दिया है कि एमसीक्यू बेस्ड फर्स्ट टर्म जो है एमसीक्यू बेस्ड होगी, सेकेंड टर्म आपकी जो है सब्जेक्टिव होगी. तो अगर आपको फर्स्ट टर्म में एमसीक्यू बेस्ड में अगर आपको 50 on 50 या 100 on 100 मार्क्स स्कोर करना है, यू नीड टू बी थॉरो विद द चैप्टर्स. एम आई क्लियर?
Ma'am, the test will be in MCQ form.
जी बेटा.
Ma'am, the test will be in the form of MCQs.
नहीं, मतलब ये वाले नहीं. अभी फिलहाल तो बोर्ड्स के लिए कराया सीबीएसई ने ये, बट जल्दी ये 9th 10th 11th 12th के लिए भी आ जाएगा. ठीक है. 9th और 11th के लिए भी जल्दी आ ही जाएगा. और अभी तक ले एज ऑफ नाउ इट इज ओनली फॉर द 10th and 12th स्टूडेंट्स. ठीक है.
Okay.
ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am.
Anything that you need to know? Sumit Yadav, I am taking the attendance now. Yashraj, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Mahira,
Yes, ma'am.
Tanishka,
Yes, ma'am.
Ilma,
Yes, ma'am.
Kumar Parth,
Yes, ma'am.
Sumit Yadav. He is not in the class. He will be marked absent. Sanskriti Chauhan,
Yes, ma'am.
Anushka Gupta.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, Priyanshi, absent. Rishabh,
Present, ma'am.
Priyanshi is present. Okay, Rishabh,
Present.
Kushagra Singh Gautam,
Present, ma'am.
Aryan Patel,
Present, ma'am.
Ayush,
Present, ma'am.
then Rashi Parmar,
Present, ma'am.
Manojas,
Present, ma'am.
Muskan Gangwar,
Present, ma'am.
Anukriti Bedi,
Present, ma'am.
Aman Yadav,
Present, ma'am.
Bhavya Dikshit.
Present, ma'am.
Anybody left? Rehan Ali. Is Rehan there in the class? No, he is not there. Fine. Chaliye. So class is going to end any moment. Anything, do read the chapter. Let me know any doubts you have. For first chapter also, those who are new, kindly go through the chapter and let me know what you have not understood in chapter 1. Right? Right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Kindly go through the do you know